Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my go-to natural makeup, which is perfect for when you are in a rush and you just don't have the time like you think, but you want to look like a dime. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my dry little face. And I'm using the Soap & Glory Speed Plump Moisturizer. It's so hydrating and it really plumps up my face. I love everything from this brand. And the next step is my eyebrows, and lately my favorite eyebrow pencil is the Mia Adora Call Me On Point eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the shade Dark Brown. What I like best about this pencil is that it's sharp like a pomade, but it's still a pencil, so it's going to be very precise. And I actually do have a 20% off coupon code, and if you are interested, it's in my description bar. Trust me, this is my honest opinion because I don't play about my eyebrows. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just filling them in, and I use the brush before I fill them in, and then I just get that shape that I like. So in order for your eyebrows to look super clean, you have to clean them up, like carve them out with concealer. So I am using a Makeup Revolution concealer and this Morphe flat brush, which is my favorite for this step. And the Makeup Revolution concealer is in the shade 10. And I'm just going to clean it up. If you don't like to use a light concealer, you can always use your foundation color. Okay, now I'm going to be priming my face with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And this is a really good primer. I got it during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. And this step is definitely optional, but I'm just going to conceal, well, basically correct with the red concealer underneath my eyes because I do have dark circles. And I find that it works in not having my foundation look gray. So yeah, I keep this step. Some people skip this step, but I keep this step. Okay. And for my foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty. Okay. And I'm using a flat brush just to put it all over my face. Also, my shade is 360. I know I can also use 330. Sometimes I use 330 and sometimes I use 360 depending on the weather. But today I'm using 360. And I'm using a buffer brush just to buff everything out, and a green Eco Tool sponge just to like help blend everything out even some more. And for my concealer under my eyes, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution concealer that I use for my eyebrows. Now I am going to set or bake underneath my eyes with the Sacha Buttercup powder. This is going to help me avoid any type of wrinkle, any type of like that weird thing that happens when you have concealer and you forget to set it and it just like creases in your skin. I'm just getting rid of all of that with my powder. And also I do wipe it off, of course. And now it's onto the contour because your girl has been gaining weight. My face has been looking like a honey bun. No. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in a darker shade, a lot darker than my skin complexion, and I'm just buffing it out with my Real Techniques contour brush. And I am gonna go in with a dark bronzer color, and it's a Morphe bronzing palette. I'm gonna put everything down below because I don't know the name offhand. And I'm just going to be using that lighter color of the two and just like bronzing it out somewhere because I love a bronzy face. Okay. Now for my blush, I'm using this blush from this MAC holiday set that I brought myself. Just letting y'all know, I brought it myself. Nobody got it from me for Christmas. And it's on sale at Ulta. I believe it's still on sale. Check it out. If it is, let me know if you got it. And I'm just using that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm using one of my favorite highlighters. This is the moment I actually realized that it broke. And this is the Gilded Honey by Gueller, which you can also get at Ulta. And this thing is perfect for a natural highlight where you want to glow, but you don't want to be looking like an ashy glow. Like, this is just a perfect color, I feel like. Now it's time for mascara. Trust me, if you are a mascara person and not a lashes person, you could go as like this. But you see, I want a little bit more vavoom, so I will be adding lashes. When I do the top lashes, I have to do the bottom lashes or they look naked. So I use whatever excess is on the brush already to just go in on my bottom lashes. And there you go, I look good. Now I'm using this Morphe setting spray. I think Princess Reese put me on from her video. And I'm using these lashes I got from Amazon. And okay, I gotta let the glue dry a little bit more, but the finishing product is there. It's almost there. Now I'm using the Sara Happ lip gloss. I got it from the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta, and I thought it was pretty nice. I still have to go in with a glossier lip gloss, and this lip gloss is from Essence, and it's just like a banging glossy lip. So yeah, this is my finished product. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, do all of that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.